What's up, guys? And we are back with another Bedwars video.
So, the infected update is out, and this is Sledgehammer. With the infected, an noxious sledgehammer, new item, an extremely powerful infected sledgehammer that breaks map blocks and poisons enemies. Okay. Can be found as a legendary lucky block drop or when playing as a super infected.
Infected LTM returns. The infected LTM returns with exciting changes. We reworked the game mode to make running and hiding it a more effective strategy. You can now collect iron from anywhere on the map, sneak into new hiding spots, and more.
Sledgehammer? Okay. Super infected player gets a noxious sledgehammer. Uses to open up new paths. Oh, the repair kit. Yeah, survivors can purchase this to rebuild missing map blocks. Okay. So, the infected is basically where you're like a zombie, but infected. And so, your team has to try and win. Well, the humans team has to try and beat the infected team. And there's always at least one or two people that start off as infected. You get like 3 seconds or 5. I don't know. I forgot. I did this before yesterday, and it's actually pretty good. It's my new favorite mode. Alright. Yeah. Look.
Yeah.
Since he's making that face, he's like, what are you doing? Alright. Oh, 50, 48. Oh, yeah. The arrows you start off as. What the heck? Ew, come on. Win at 12 minutes, obviously. It said that. Oh.
Can you make me a peanut butter and jelly sandwich?
Yeah. The infected will soon spread. No! Why am I infected? Why did I just start off?
No, Aiden.
Why can't I move myself? Stop it! I hate you people. Oh, I start off as this guy. Why me? Seriously?
Sorry.
Yeah.
Bippity boppity, bippity boppity, bippity boppity.
You guys aren't coming back in this one. Ugh. What? Now you're gonna die, Max. Come here. Oh, you want some smoke now, huh? So that. Come.
Wait.
Hey. Yes, wait, please.
Heat.
Bippity boppity boo. Stop shooting me, or I'll shoot your head off, and you'll die. You want that? I know you don't want that. Exactly.
And just throw it.
What? We're not gonna hide here. What the heck are you doing? It's a thing. No, please, stop. Anything but that. Hey! Stop it! Bro, and that's it. You're gonna die. I hate these people so much. Oh, then you want to die? Die, stupid. There you are. Oh, wait, there he's not. Die! God, shut your hair! John, is that you? No, it's not you. I'm gonna break it! Why is life like this? Stupid people all around. Alright, let's do this, boys. Are you infected? Oh, no, you're not. Oh, wait, other way. What? That guy dies. There you are, boy! Come here! Jeez. You can't escape from me! I'm a wizard! Come on, what's wrong with you? Take another way.
I got 2 more health.
Oh, that's nice. I have 149 health.
I have 102 health.
Oh. Well, pass them by the diamond generator. And I'm gonna beat them up. What the? Yes. Yes. Let's go kill him! What? How did he get that sword? Okay, I hate this. This game was officially...
How did he get that sword?
This game was officially the most one I hate. Wait, who? What sword? What kind of sword was it?
An orange sword.
Yeah, bro. I was fighting him and I was wondering. I have no idea what I'm gonna do. They win, this is over. Yeah. Yeah. That's right, boys. We got the daily pass. What's up? What is wrong with you? I just started this. Okay, you gotta stop leaning on me, bro. Come on.
Sorry. I'm not leaning on you.
Okay, can you sit that way so you're not leaning on me again? Can you keep it? Oh wait, there's a boy right there. Come here. Just want to talk. Are you going away, huh? Oh, now you're trying to shoot me, okay? Listen, you're gonna die. You're gonna die. I'm sorry, but you're gonna die. It's over. It's over for you. It's over for you.
I'm a zombie.
Oh.
Now.
Oh, you are?
Yeah.
That's nice. I mean, sorry. I was killing that guy, and he was about to die, and he had the emerald sword, and then somehow kill him. Okay, we have to beat these stupid humans.
Because they always win.
I know, it's so annoying. We only have 5 minutes left. And what are these green bubbles they're getting? Man, I'm making good holes. Oh, no! I'm gonna kill you, that's right. What? Oh, hey, John.
Yeah.
Wait, what am I doing? Stop that. Stop that. I can't stop. I can't stop. What the? Wait, hold on. Let me see this. Let me see from this POV. Oh, okay. Dang it, get up there! Sledgehammer. An effective sledgehammer that poisons enemies and breaks map blocks. Okay. Okay. Alright, let's attack! Made it all the way to 10 million. I'm gonna break the little souls.
Oh, no.
Wait, what's going on? Someone's attacking you? You need help?
They work.
Oh. Hey, what's the little boy? Oh, never mind.
Yes, I got to their base.
Nice, me too. I always get to the base. And then
Oh, no.
die!
I'm just gonna,
Hey, Jovan, what's up? Oh. Sorry, I thought that was you. Oh my gosh. Jovan, is that you? Hey, what's up?
Hey.
Okay.
Oh my gosh.
Bro, I wish I could get a teleport
Wait,
down
did
there.
you follow me?
Oh, no, I didn't follow you. I went the other way. Ah! Wait, what am I doing? We need to fight back. Oh, never mind. Never mind.
Screaming.
Hey, that's it. No, I'm dying. I'm slow. It's okay, I'm hiding. I'm at 1, 2,
Oh,
3.
jeez.
Oh, wait, you
Did
need
you
help.
just
I'm
see?
coming.
He has an emerald sword.
Oh, gosh. Oh, wait, that
Oh,
guy?
jeez,
You're
no.
fighting that guy? I'm coming.
Just killed me in
Oh.
like 2 hits.
Okay, never mind. Yeah. See, I don't understand. I'm scared too.
I'm going the same way I went, and I'm coming. So don't worry, Aiden. I'm coming.
Oh, hey, what's up, Nick? This is the gloop.
I'm just gonna stay over here because now that
from the table?
What in the? Ew. Some stuff down there. What? What's the smell? Who was sprayed?
that was Mom.
Oh. How much? Bro, how can we not defeat these humans? There's only like 68. Well, there's not actually 68.
Bro, there's only
Like 7?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 humans.
Huh.
And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 zombies.
What? You mean more?
Oh wait, 7 humans. No wait, I mean 7. Oh wait,
There's
no,
more
this
than
is
one
the
zombie, John.
infected team. Wait, there's 1, 2.
I had 200 health. I hate this game.
There's 6
but
people
it's
on the
also
infected
bad.
team.
Yeah, that's right. Oh. What do you mean?
There's 6 people on the infected team and there's 6 people on the humans team. We can win this.
Juvan, there's more than this.
No, I'm talking about the people that are alive.
Oh.
The people that are alive or this one.
Oh, I would count every. Oh, okay. We
The
can.
people that are alive are the lighter ones.
Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We can do this,
The
guys.
humans win in
60 seconds. Go, 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 go,
Ian,
go,
I'm
go.
running.
Where are you? There you are. Okay. All right, John. Now.
Oh jeez.
Juvan, they have emerald armor. Some person has emerald armor and emerald sword. Okay, John, we're just gonna die. We might as well forfeit.
Ian, don't
can't
worry.
do this.
If we work together, we can do this.
Yeah, get over here. Okay. Now I'm gonna break this.
Okay.
Okay, there. Now they give us demo weight.
Wait, how did you get that?
Oh, you have to have this kind of character.
Oh.
They're fighting.
How did you get that character?
No, I just Juvan. Oh yeah, I just spawned a fit. Bro, our teammate died.
What?
Juvan, there's
No.
nobody in there.
Now there's
Okay.
4 people on the zombie team that are alive.
Okay, John. I'm just gonna say one thing. Charge! Charge! Yeah, we can both kill him, even if he has. Okay, no, actually, never mind. Never mind. No! I swear, that 52 and 53. What is up with this thing? It's not supposed to be like that, Void. I'm gonna kill you.
The humans always win.
No. What's up with that? Eh? I'm dying. Okay. I'd say we're about 12 minutes into the video. All right, wow. All right, we're gonna stop at a certain time in the round.
Okay.
During the round. Okay, it's so good to be human.
Wait, what's the name?
This person got that kid. That I don't know. Something. All right, John, quick, get away. The infection was on spread. 3, 2. Oh Okay, let's do this, Joan. We will not die, and we will not rest till they're dead.
Survived longer than I was the human that survived longer than you.
Yeah. Sad. Alright, I got leather armor. Let's do this. Let's skip, bro.
I wish the slash GM worked.
I'm going to the box.
What is wrong with my jack like that? They're coming! Oh, that guy fell bad.
Grab it. Okay.
Let's go. Dang, he's fast. How fast? Pretty fast. You know fast. Yes.
Bippity.
Yes.
And come up here.
Okay, hold on.
You get good angles.
Wait, come up where? Hold on.
The roof.
Go there.
All the way up. I got some.
Alright, okay, we're up on the roof. Coming. Let me just set my Teslas. Okay, alright, I'm coming. Oh, I need some blocks. Alright, I'm coming. You where? Oh. I'll just put that there. I'll just... What? No.
Someone else took someone's soul and they weren't even the Grim Reaper.
Oh, they have it? It's just like you're not showing. Hey, there you are. I only had 2 blocks, but still alive.
I had 66 blocks.
Okay. Dang, look at that wall and look at those stairs. Jovan, we can't get them. I'm gonna shoot one up. From up there. Okay, that was a little... I saw it! I think it went... Oh, whoops. Thanks.
Okay.
Oh, there's a guy here.
Okay, I'm going to get iron armor.
Whoa! What is that?
What is that? I'm going to get iron armor. See.
Oh, yeah, me too.
Whoa!
Oh, wait, alright. Oh, it shoots at them! Oh, it's shooting right now! That's good! Go! Okay, this thing is missing all of them. Bro, how does this... That thing is good, bro, I'm telling you. It shoots at them. But it's not shooting right now. Dang it. I need to get that. Dang it, he went away. Shalapia, Pesemena, Push. Alright. I have stone. I have iron sword. Alright, I have iron sword. And, dang it.
I have iron sword, iron armor, and, yeah.
Yeah. Okay.
Bro, there are barely any zombies.
I know. There's more than... What? There's one dead. There's multiple... What?
There's 8 zombies.
What? There's more... 8 zombies?
Yeah.
How are you guys dying? You guys, like, come back to life. I don't understand. Uh-oh.
I'm surprised that we're surviving right now.
Yeah, and I'm surprised that they're... Oh, what? Oh, okay. They're raiding. They're raiding right now. There's so much coming. We're dead. We're dead. So dead.
Don't give up
Yeah, we can't give up now. Oh, never.
Bro, they're everywhere.
I know. Oh, that was close, actually. No! I must knock him off. Dang it, never mind. There's one right at the base. They're Jovan. They're taking over the base. They need our help. They're taking over the base. Yeah. Oh. We have to help our
Go down
teammate.
there.
We have to help
Go
him.
down there.
Oh, okay, but there's too much. Jovan, actually, no. Let's not risk it. Let's go back up. Because
Okay,
then we're going to be
ow.
infected. Jovan, where are you?
There's too many. Bro, why do the zombies run faster than the humans?
I don't know. That's the bad thing. Don't worry, I'll win for us. If I can. Where is everybody? Am I the only one? I died. I fell. Why I hate that thing? Whoa, they're so fast. What the heck?
I know, right? I'm so fast too.
I was the only human with this guy. They're gonna win. We're gonna win. Kill the guy. Let's just kill the. I don't care, guy. Where is he?
Yeah, where is he? I'm gonna go find him. Try and win for the zombies.
Okay, I'm gonna. Dang, bro, I'm going fast. I'm like swerving through this.
Okay, so okay.
Ooh.
Well, no!
Oh. I have to find that guy. Could be anywhere around the map.
Please stop it.
Wow.
Ooh, it's a juicy one. I don't see him anywhere. Ah!
It was really juicy. No! Oh.
He's got 3 kills. This guy, we need to find him.
I accidentally used my telepro and I didn't even mean to use it.
Where'd
And
you
I
use
got
it?
to a good place.
Oh.
Pretty good place.
We need to find him.
I'm gonna say very good.
Jalapajus, pidipipoo. What the? Whoa.
Juice, with the papoo.
3 kills still. This guy almost around.
Bro, where is he?
No. They're gonna win!
Yeah, how are the humans gonna win when there's more zombies?
Because there's still one left, so,
Oh.
I have nowhere else to check. I don't know. This is confusing. Oh. Oh, I hit that and I fell here. That was close. Yeah, I'm just lost right now. Superstition. Unless he's hiding under the map or somewhere, like hiding in a really good spot.
Everybody's looking for him,
No.
but they can't seem to find him.
I don't think we're gonna win this. It's been like 20 minutes now, dude.
Bro, did you see what I said?
What? The war is high?
No. Go up. Go up. Keep going up. Oh, right. I forgot. I'm blocked.
Well, he said I'm just too good at this game.
Look, this is what I said.
Where's that puny human? I don't think he's puny, though. He got Grim Reaper. We're dead. How are we supposed to find them? Well, guys, thank you so much for watching. You hope you enjoyed the video.
And leave a like.
And make sure to subscribe. We are really close to
100
subscribers. What? Oh. And saying we hope to achieve our goal of 1,000 subscribers. We love you guys. And make sure to turn on post notifications. Peace.